Hi everyone, it's me, Tami, and my goldsmith Moriki. We're here again to share a repair with you, and today we are bringing you a wedding set with a single diamond solitaire. Basically our goal is to build up the channels that are holding it to make the stone nice and secure, and re-bling the wedding set, make it look all brand spanking new, and yeah, you'll see the magic happen. So here we go. Okay, Moriki, so what is the game plan for this ring?
So the game plan this time is there's two rings that solder together, so I need to separate them first, and then this area called channel holding stone, and it's getting really thin, so I'm gonna build up metal on it and then blend it in, make it look nice and shiny, and then solder back on. To cut off those rings, I use super thin blade. There you go. I use the thinnest so that when I cut it minimizes the amount of metal I get rid of by cutting. Metal is 24 gauge bezel wire. So basically what I'm going to do is to use this wire, just lay flat on a stone, like following the contour line of this edge, goes all around, and then tack it so that it wouldn't move, then solder them. That, and I'm going to cut from right here. So now both sides metal rub, and then I'm going to solder those two. Now I soldered the top plate onto ring so that stone is now really secured. And then the next step is I'm gonna shave it and shape it and blend it in the extra metal to original shape. Okay, now channel's been reshaped and then smooth it out, and then all I'm gonna do is solder those two rings back together, and then magic will be completed.
Ooh, nice. Just like brand new.
Brand new, right?
Yes.
And then now it's so secure.
This might look better than when I got it. Do you know how old the diamond is? 1930.
Oh my god.
4 or 5. Yeah. It doesn't look like it.
Good condition.
Yay.
And just like that, her center stone is much safer again, and the wedding set is looking brand new and gorgeous thanks to the magic of the shop. And thanks for sharing this repair with us.